You're at the point now where you're ready to start doing your calculations for an analysis of variance. Now, you'll see that there are additional calculations that you have to go through for the ANOVA that you did not have to go through for the 2 sample tests that you've learned so far. But just to make sure that you're very organized in your thinking about this process, these same 3 steps are going to be followed in the calculation of the ANOVA. First, you're going to determine sum of squares, then you'll calculate mean square errors, and then you'll calculate the F statistic. It's really very straightforward. It's just that this time, with the ANOVA, when you determine sum of squares, you have to determine sum of squares for within the groups, the sum of squares for between the groups, and the sum of squares total. That adds some additional calculations. And then for the step 2, mean square error is now mean square errors, plural. So now you have to calculate mean square error within and mean square error between. And then finally, you need to calculate the F statistic. Now what you're going to find is the step here that has the most calculations will involve determining your sum of squares. But after you do that, the rest are pretty straightforward. So stay organized. I would highly recommend that you use a different page for each one of these calculations, and I'm going to guide you through each one of these steps in 3 separate short videos.